Yo guys, look, looks normal, right? Nope, it's a piece of fake wood. Look at that. But when you put it like on your feet, it just sounds somewhat different. Like, you see that? That's why you can make